Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So dollar index hits 2-week high as data boosts Fed hike expectations. And if you look at the chart of DXY, then yes, DXY is bullish. DXY broke the previous high here, 103.1314 level, and DXY just made a high of 103.42 yesterday. Right now we can see that DXY is going for correction right now, two red candles. Okay, but if we look at the structure of DXY here, then we can see the structure is bullish. So yes, we can expect that DXY will try to continue the upside. So by today or by next week, if DXY breaks this level here, 103.4044 level, it will be heading towards the next level of 103.75. This is the next level on DXY if it breaks the high here. Okay, and now DXY is going for correction and hopefully it will take some support around 103.020, 103 level. There are multiple support right now, and today we don't have any big news also. Yes, Michigan consumer sentiment is coming up. If you look at the economic calendar, you'll see that. Okay, but that news will not bring crazy volatility to the market. But yes, today is the last day of the month, so there may be some volatility because of that. Okay, so anyways, risk management is our best friend. You need to follow it all the time. So let's look at the chart of gold. So yesterday we saw our level working perfectly. Hopefully you all made good money, because I received a lot of messages, emails that you all made good money from the sell level of 1912. Yesterday we saw a good drop on the chart of gold, and gold made a low of 1892. This was the low made by the gold yesterday, but gold immediately recovered also, and right now we can see that 1908 is the current market price. If you look at my chart, and you'll see that I have drawn many Fibonacci's, many lines. It may look messy, so let's try to understand one by one. Okay, so first of all, let's go to the daily chart. Reset chart view. Let me remove the drawings here. Okay, see, we have discussed about the Fibo 61.8% and how beautifully market has been respecting the Fibo here. And yesterday also we saw the same stuff, because when market faced the selling pressure, market recovered immediately, and still you can see that market is standing at the Fibonacci 61.8% retracement only. Okay, it is not going down, it is still trading at Fibo 61.8%. and yesterday, remember, I showed you the contracts at 1900 level, and I told you guys that 1900 will be a psychological support, and moreover, because of the contracts, people will not let market fall that easily, and we saw the same stuff only. Okay, those who took a sell position around 80, 92, 93 level, they were all trapped. Okay, and really market needs to have good selling pressure to go below 1900, 1895 right now. Okay, and you can see that on daily chart, market is still standing at a Fibo 61.8% retracement. So this Fibo is no longer required. Let's clean the chart and let's head towards the 4-hour time frame. So this is the present chart right now, and you can see the market has formed two dojis. Okay, two dojis, and market is also forming a doji right now. So market is in indecision mode. Doji signify indecision in the market. So as a result, okay, we need to wait and watch. There is no clarity about the market right now, and moreover, surprisingly, we have a falling wedge also. Falling wedge is a trend reversal pattern. Okay, falling wedge is a trend reversal pattern. So during the day, if market shows an upside and starts going up, I won't be surprised. In fact, we can look for a risky buy around 1914 level. Listen to me carefully, risky buy. I have used the word risky buy because, to be honest, the market is in downtrend, though we have a falling wedge, but I'm not much convinced. Okay, so I'm using that if market breaks 1914 level with proper risk management, if you see the market is going up nicely, then you can consider a buy. But if you're a beginner, if you want to avoid, you can avoid as well. Okay, so risky buy above 1914 level. Okay, on the other hand, if you we have a good resistance or sellers present around 1930 to 1937. This is a big zone here. It's a zone of 70 pips, but my dear friends, I'm extremely sorry, I can't help it, because you can see that we have strong price ejection around this area, as well as we have FIBO 50% retracement level, as a result of which 1930 to 1937 is a big zone, but this is a level of sellers. In case market shows extreme volatility, there will be a pause around 1930 1937 because of the sellers. And as we know that there is no big news coming up today, so yes, if market reverses, if you see that market is showing price rejection from above, market is showing shooting star pattern, anything like that, okay, you can also consider a sell around 1932 34 35 level. Okay, right now I'm doing the analysis on the 4 hours time frame. You can simply use the 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes time frame as well. 4 hours time frame will be too slow for confirmation, okay, because doing analysis on a higher time frame is a different thing, and order execution, okay, is a different thing that you should be doing on a lower time frame only. So this is the best level where you can look for sell for the day. And we have another level around, 1921. It can be 1921, it can be 1922. Around this level we also have a resistance, but in case we see a big breakout because of the falling wedge, then 1921 may not be able to restrict the market. Okay, market may not be able to restrict the market. So it depends on the volatility whether 1921 will be able to hold the market or not. Yes, as a trader, you'll have to understand or judge the volatility of the market to understand the working of the levels. Volatility will decide whether 1921-22 will be working as resistance or not. But yes, we do have a resistance because of Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. We also have previous support working as resistance. Along with that, we also have 50 moving average around the area. If we combine all the factors, 1921-22 seems to be a legit logical resistance. And if you're wondering about any support level, then to be honest, I'm not sure about support level. In case market goes down also, I'm not sure whether I'll be going for a buy or not. Okay, so I do not want to recommend anything that I will not use personally. But yes, if you see the market is going down, volatility is not very low, volatility is not very high, market is low, then you can look for some buy or support on 80, 90 to 93 level. But to be honest, I'm not convinced enough. Market will tell what we should be doing. Last day of the month, be careful. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Be a trader, not a gambler. Bye-bye. Take care. If you really like my work and if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can consider joining the world's most affordable Forex Trading Workshop. Yes, the Forex Trading Workshop is back again. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Just go to my website, you will see the topics that I'll be covering in 3 days. Okay, it's a 3 days workshop, and you can see that these are the topics that I'll be teaching after the workshop. Yes, right after the 3 days workshop, there will be weekly classes. Okay, so workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. You can see the benefits or the support you'll be receiving during the 1 month. So 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program and all these benefits you'll be receiving. You can see here I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And most importantly, the workshop is not for complete beginners. If you're a trader who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months, then only the workshop will be useful for you. That's why I have also shared a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And the best part is the fees. You can see here it's only $15 or rupees 1000 for Indians, and you can see the dates are 5, 6 and 7 for Hindi classes, and for English classes 8, 9 and 10 of July. Timing is mentioned here, everything is mentioned, and if you cannot attend, no need to worry, recordings will be there, okay, so that you can watch later on. Everything is mentioned on the website, the payment procedure and all, everything. So if you really want to take up trading to the next level, you can definitely consider joining the workshop. After all, this is the world's most affordable forex trading workshop, and hopefully you will learn a lot of things.